mtoto wangu alichukuliwa kwa kinyozi Billiy Mwangi.
Mzee.
Mimi naitwa Gerard Mwangi Kalicha.
Gerard
Mwangi Kalicha.
Mwangi Kalicha.
Yes.
Na mtoto wako ni?
Mtoto wangu anaitwa Billiy Mwangi.
Billiy Mwangi ambaye ni fourth petitioner.
Yes.
Mzee, endelea.
Mtoto wangu alichukuliwa kwa kinyozi on 21st Saturday around saa tisa akingojea anyolewe.
Yes.
There came 2 cars.
Yes.
One of the cars was filled up. Car, white in color. The new model.
Yes.
Registration number KDG 527D.
Yes.
And the owner of that car had surveyed my home neighborhood for three days.
Yes.
The other car was a double cabin pickup.
Yes.
When they came to where my son was, they feel the car was ahead. They feel the car immediately left. But 4 guys, very strong guys, from the double cabin car,
Yes.
popped out of the car, went, mishandled my son, and threw him inside.
Yes.
And he asked them, "Who are you? Where are you taking me?" Wakasema utajulia mbele.
Yes.
Simu ikazimika, wakaenda naye. Mpaka saa hii yaona, I have no idea where my son is. I read these orders that he will be produced in court today. I was coming for him, and I've come from Embu. My wife has collapsed. She has collapsed so many times.
Yes.
I did not come with her because I cannot be able to handle it. So when I look around the courtyard, I cannot see my son. I thought he is here. Seriously, who took my son and where is my son? We have taken a lot of medicine for blood pressure. Yeah, I have also developed blood pressure.
Yes.
At a certain point, it doesn't come down. I was even praying God that when I'm coming on the way, nifike, na ni kweli nimefika. But I cannot kill my son. I cannot see guys who look like my son. That is not here. Where is my son, Your Honor? Where is my son? Seriously, where have they taken my son?
Nimekusikiza. Na sasa ningependa kusikia kutoka wakili, lakini kabla uketi, ningependa kukuambia kuwa mahakama itatatua hilo swali ya wapi mtoto wako yuko, nani alimchukua na kwa sababu gani.
And that boy is sick, Your Honor. He's a sick boy. Very weak.
You can take a seat.